Hello guys, Mehul here back again with another new video, and today I'm gonna be showing you a really great tool to share your code snippets. Now it's for really little codes or code snippets. It's not gonna support big codes like a whole HTML file or something like that. Because this is more of like an approach where you have to share the little snippets or little instruction of a code, and you want to integrate them into your blog or into your Notion file as a code itself or as an image maybe. So let's just dive into it. So here we are at Carbon, and as you can see that it already have a code for us to have a overview over of this platform. You can obviously sign in or sign up here using your github account, but we not gonna do that today. What it actually does, Carbon is a great platform to create and share beautiful images of your code. Start typing or drop file into the text area. So obviously you can just drop in your files and it will like create the code for you. The great thing is you can directly tweet the code from here, and here is a upload to imager also. Like it's in beta mode, but still here is upload in imager also, so you can directly tweet. The second is you can export it. So export is as a Carbon file. Like here name is Carbon, like file name will be Carbon. The size is as you like it would to be, like 1x 2x 4x. You can download it as PNG or as SVG. Okay, fair enough. How we will export it, and another thing that I will show you later, so let's talk about that later. Okay, and here you can change the background color as well, as you can see it here. Okay, and you can like insert an image also here. Choose a image from your desktop, and like desktop, Mac, whatever you are using, choose a email from your files, and give the URL also, like it will work with the URL also. Or you can like try something random from Unsplash also. uh it's going to that site, but you can try something from Unsplash also, like yes, like anything random. Use image, let's use this image as well. Okay, but it doesn't have this gradient background, so something you should consider before creating an image, like not creating but creating code here. So whatever, it looks good, not a bad thing. So here is our code. Here you can simply type as well. Like here, if I want to try, I can type as well, so no problem with the code. And as long as I think, it will automatically detect the language because it's in auto. And you can obviously choose the language of also from here. Here are tons of language that you can choose from. And here you can choose the editor style. So one of my favorite style is Dracula, but Dracula is pro here, so whatever, we will not select that right now. But another one of my favorite is Monokai. Then there is material design as well, but I don't like material design that much. I like One Dark the most. I use One Dark for my VS Code as well, so they have One Dark as well. And it looks great, it look really great. Like if I set it like here, yes. Now here is the settings also, like how you want the window to be. You can set the window size, like if you want it Windows style or it in its Mac style, you can set that as well. How you like to have the editor, line numbers, line height, everything. They have really gave you the power of every single little details as well. So great thing. Here you can see I can make it big as well rather than smaller one. Here are some presets of the same code, but I don't like it. I like it. Whatever. So here are the little settings, but I will choose whatever. I'm not even exporting it. Why do I care even? Whatever. Still, now here's the best part of this code. Here in the copy to clipboard section, you can copy it as image. So you can publish it in any platform in your code, like in your Figma file as well. You can paste it as image in any other platform who supports image, like you can send it via your WhatsApp chat, or even for your like Telegram, WhatsApp, Facebook, whatever, wherever you want to share it as an image, it will support it. Then there is medium.com as well, so you can directly link it to your Medium file where you are writing blog about code, some code, I think. You can export it as iframe also. That's the great thing about it. So you can simply copy the code and put it into your HTML file. That's about it. And the last but not the least, that is, you can copy it as plain URL. And when you copy it as plain URL, what you can do, you can just simply just let's go to Notion. Okay. And after opening your Notion, what you can simply do, you can copy paste the URL and click on create embed. So it will create a perfectly responsive code snippet for you, which you can easily access from your Notion. So really great feature, isn't it? So that's about it. Use this website yourself. I know you're gonna love it. And after that, please let me know about it, if you like it or not, in the comment section. And if you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to my channel. Recently I have crossed 100 subscriber. So thanks to all of my hundreds of subscriber for subscribing me. Next goal is 500 for sure, right? So let's do that also. So if you like my videos in general, please subscribe. And if you know about some of the great apps like this, like this is not app, maybe it's a app website where tools, open source design resources, coding resources, startup resources, anything in general, please let me know about all of them in the comment section, so I can feature them and produce a lot more value to your life. So that's it for this video. Bye for now.